The long-term prognosis of AI is a challenging one and an exciting one. So CX is a very target-rich area for AI ROI. So there are two pockets of good ROI, relatively speaking, good ROI with all these AI investments. One is in software development, and the other is in customer operations. And we, collectively, are looking at the area of customer operations. So that's quite interesting. If you are looking to improve efficiencies in business operations, you have to focus on those exceptions. Handling of exceptions is where most of the cost goes into business operation. We see a lot of silos everywhere. It's the nature of business, right? AI exposes that very, very easily because AI cuts through the functional silos. And lastly, compliance. Compliance is a huge issue that we all are used to. Businesses are investing, they are committing to AI-based business models. Just the other day, Jamie Dimon from JPMC was talking about building the first big AI bank. Now that's a big ask. In a couple of years, we're going to start to get the ROI that we are looking for. It will take a few steps, and it'll take organizing, systematizing, and working on projects and areas that can deliver AI ROI quickly, measurably. If you start with tightly scoped micro tasks where you apply AI as a widget, you build systems with lots of those widgets, you can build systems which are affordable, reliable, and can do very impressive automation for your business. That's sort of the high-level view of AI that I think we should be going with as we build out capabilities. All is well. Almost. As I said, the problem is in the input. If that new graduate, that rookie, gets wrong know-how written, or confusing know-how written down, or not enough know-how written down because it's tacit, she cannot solve the problem. And that is the biggest challenge right now in many of the AI projects in customer operations. That's the number one problem, besides the fact that it takes time to build these systems. So that's another issue. Adoption comes from trusted, consumable experiences and answers. You cannot force it down people's throat. Same is true for AI projects. If you push something that is not easy to use or doesn't feel right or doesn't quite give me an answer that I'm feeling happy about in terms of assurance and confidence, then I'm going to not use it. Connect the trusted answers that are now being put in a single source of truth on the left box, moving to the right box, which is taking all that trusted content and turning it into conversational engagement. You have a fantastic solution. While knowledge management is super important and super valuable, it delivers great returns. So the ROI is high, but the I is significant, and it's a lot of manual work. The investment is manual work for the most part. Effective knowledge management is possible. We do that today. We've been doing it for several years. We have figured it out. We call it the knowledge method. So the knowledge method, we have automated it to the next level. Automated it in multiple ways. Automated it in the way we can ingest and transform and synthesize to create knowledge. The way we can tap into your conversation stores to understand what your customers are really asking. eGain AI Agent, we've created the second version of that, AI Agent 2. This has the capabilities I was talking about missing in the first version. We have the ability to tap into deterministic reasoning and do it in a very efficient way when needed. We have the ability to assure actions so that you can rely on them in a compliance and regulated environment. We have the ability to now manage and maintain and govern your prompts and context and models. And finally, we've added the ability to do system-level quality assurance for your AI agents, all the way from your content sources through to the end experience. And finally, the eGain Composer, which is a net new product we are announcing today. This is a developer-focused capability. So for AI developers who are building solutions, we are giving them building blocks of components that they need to go all the way from content sources and data systems to automated AI-powered experiences. These three capabilities put together now give us the confidence that we can engage with you and deliver the sort of promise that AI can indeed help us with, which is better experiences and delivered far more efficiently than ever before.